That's all right. Yeah. Let's get to the cupcakes. I don't think we're gonna have the cake. Mace, sit down, son. There you go. There you go. Good job, Mace. Hmm? Give him the what? They don't have no food allergies or nothing to the chicken and stuff, do they? They don't have no food allergies to the chicken and stuff, do they? No. Cool. Oh. I wish we had this stuff when Juice was a baby.
You can't get the eyes yet.
Ain't going after him.
Wait there.
You gonna figure out how to get in there? There's some kind of force field around him or something?
Yeah. Something ain't right.
Say he wanna. Y'all think these babies eat this? Y'all think the babies eat this?
Wow.
Okay.